Hi guys, I will show you how to move taskbar in Windows 10. So when you right click on your taskbar, by default all taskbars are locked, so we need to click to unlock. And now when you hover on the top edge of the taskbar, you will see small arrows, and it will allow you to adjust, for example, the height, or by clicking the taskbar and using drag and drop you can move the taskbar to left, right or top. So let's left click and still pressing move your mouse to left or right or to the top, and by releasing the left click on your mouse the taskbar will stay on the top or on the left. Hopefully it helps you, and thanks for watching.